Good morning, everyone. We are the Group 2 reporters, and for today's lesson, we will be discussing what is programmable logic design. And I am the first reporter. My name is Kennedy Galaban, and I will be discussing the definitions of programmable logic design. So, programmable logic design is the process of creating digital circuit using reconfigurable hardware devices that can be programmed to perform a specific logical functions. These are integrated circuit with undefined functions at manufacturing. Programmable logic design is the process of creating new design into custom digital circuit.
Hey everyone, my name is Janhart Lianyo and my topic was all about timeline of programmable devices. Definition: Programmable logic devices or PLD, also known as Programmable Logic Device, FPLD. An integrated circuit chip that can be configured by the user and implement different digital hardware.
Good day everyone, I am Jumel Isingko. Kung maingon tag integrated circuit is composed of mini electronic components inside the chip. Example is capacitor, transistor or resistor. It is a programmable na siya pero pwede po na siyang makuan ng reprogram. Nakaset na yang kuan na function or purpose, especially sa kuan ng data processing. Mas na dali ni siya kay kuan nakausa naman ang mga kuan components ba. Kuan it is kuan device din siya, device. Usa ka device nga mo process, especially ay another is kuan na sa binary form or logic nga kuan information.
Hi sir, my name is Ivy Candelario. Purpose of PLDS or Programmable Logic Devices. Programmable logic devices are used to create custom digital circuits that can be programmed and reprogrammed to perform specific tasks. They provide feasibility for designers to change the logic without needing to build new hardware. And the purpose of PLDS first is permits elaborate digital logic designs to be implemented by the user on a single device. And the second is capable for being erased and reprogrammed with a new design.
So, good morning everyone. My name is Madeline Casamingo and this is my report advantage of PLDS. Pagmayuntang PLDS is a programmable logic device. PLDS is a digital components nga program para sa mga specific function. Cost-effective in a lower volume. So, cost-effective sa lower volume, nagpasabot nga barato gamiton ang PLDA kung gamay ra ang production. Short design. So, ang short design, nagpasabot nga dali ra ang paghimo o pag-usog sa mga disenyo. Resulted for academics and prototyping. So, this is the cost and this is the volume. This is the PLD. Advantage of PLDS: programmability, reprogrammability, low cost of design, immediate hardware and implementation. So, ang programmability o reprogrammability nga dali. So, mao na sila mo dali rang uspon ang functional bisan wala ang tanga ang mga circuit boards. So, thank you for watching.
Good day sir, good day everyone. I am Sherwin Darrell Babor and one of the members of Group 2. The types of PLDs. PLD stands for Programmable Logic Devices. So SPLDs means Simple Programmable Logic Devices. It has under the ROM, the PLA, the PAL, and the GAL. ROM stands for Read Only Memory, while PLA is for programmable logic array, PAL for programmable array logic, and GAL for generic array logic. So this is the diagram 3 of the types of PLDs. So the PL is under the SPLD, has two branches, the SPLD and the HCPLD. So the SPLD is also has different branches, and under it are room, PLA, PAL, and GAL. Well, on the other hand, the other branch is under the HCPLD are the CPLD and the FPGA. So let's break down simple programmable logic devices. So these simple programmable logic devices are the simplest, the smallest, and less expensive forms of programmable logic devices. SPLDs can be used in boards to replace 7400 series TTL components and NOT gates. Most SPLDs use either fuses or non-volatile memory cells or the EEPROM, EEPROM, flash, and others to define the functionality. So the programmable logic arrays or the PLAS is a kind of programmable logic device used to implement combinational logic circuits. The PLA has a set of programmable AND gate planes which link to a set of programmable OR gate planes, which can then be conditionally complemented to produce an output. Programmable logic array or PLA is used to implement logic functions in digital circuits. The structure has programmable AND matrix, programmable OR matrix, input and output buffers. Block diagram of a PLA device is as shown below. So, as you can see in the diagram below, the input stands for programmable AND array, and it goes through the programmable OR array and then to the output. Note that the use of the word programmable does not indicate that all PLAs are field programmable. This is particularly true of PLAs that are embedded in more complex and numerous integrated circuits, such as microprocessors.
My name is Lanijon Cardihon. This is my reports all about PLDT configuration. Combination of a logic device and memory. Memory stored the pattern the PLDT was programmed with EEPROM, non-volatile and programmable. EEPROM, non-volatile and reprogrammable. Static RAM, volatile memory. Flash memory is non-volatile memory. So, there's the one. A programmable logic device configurations involves the combination of a logic device and memory. The memory stores the pattern with which the PLDT was programmed. Here's the types of memory. EEPROM, established programmable read-only memory, non-volatile and reprogrammable. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. And static RAM, volatile memory. Flash memory, non-volatile memory. And that's all my report. Thank you and God bless.
I'm Rex TV Villlaso and I'm introducing the story of programmable logic device. Early 1970s, Texas Instruments developed the first mass programmable IC, the TMS 2000, which the term programmable logic array or PLA. 1970s to 1980s, Monolithic Memories (MMI) introduced the programmable array logic or PAL in 1978. In mid-1980s, Lattice Semiconductor introduced the generic array logic or GAL, an improvement over the PAL because it could be erased and reprogrammed electrically using EEPROM or electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. In late 1980s to 1990s, the demand for more powerful device lead to the development of complex programmable logic device or CPLD and field programmable gate arrays or FPGAs. Present day, FPGA have evolved into sophisticated system on chip or SoC solutions with millions of logic gates, embedded memory and even processor cores.